Devin. It's all your
gotta
fault.
fucking run.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, let's go, go. Going left?
Yep, me too.
Cover me. Go, go, go. It's fucking pockets. I heard somebody talking right over there. Shut them over right over there.
Brandon, what do you think?
I say shoot a firework that way. Distract them. Yes. Yes or no?
Yeah. Set it and before it even goes off. Move away.
I'm gonna move up a little bit.
Yeah, same. No, do it in there. Shoot it down
Stay
the back.
back a little bit. Put away the larger. I have jumping jacks and 150.
Right away, even if you think you're gonna miss. Just keep shooting and make them get over here.
Alright, they're over there.
What?
They're sneaking over there.
I don't know where they are right now, but I was just saying they
I should have given him freaking radio. I should have gave him a radio. I have 3 freaking.
Where's the other radio?
I have all 3 of them.
It's alright.
I'll be fine.
I think we should move in.
Boy, move in.
I'm gonna go up the back ridge. That little thing.
Alright.
Brandon, how about this? Wait it out here, and if you hear a firefight, run directly towards it, and I'll come up from behind.
Well,
Yeah.
I told them I won't stay here, firefight here, they're supposed to run in. So right now, they're laying down and waiting.
Here's the plan. We're gonna go up the top while you sneak across this way. Brandon. We're gonna go across the top ridge back up the road. While you sneak up this way.
Let's go.
Good luck.
He told us to hurry up. He told us to hurry up. Back. Where we going?
Motherfuckers aren't calling shit.
I know. What's the plan?
Alright. We know they're not calling shit because I know I hit them.
Mm-hmm.
Want to move up to Brandon?
Sure. Brandon's right there. Let's go. Also, I saw one going down the hill. I saw one going down the hill. And then Ricky pushed backwards. Oh, fuck. Yeah, he's up his middle finger.
Who?
Ricky, I think.
He's not on that team.
I saw Ricky. He's on
our team.
Oh, I was seeing him. He put up a thumbs up.
Should we move up?
Ricky's
Move up too?
Ricky's standing right there. Let's go. I saw Ricky just standing up.
Yo, it's Ricky, it's Ricky, it's Ricky. Brandon, Ricky's right over there.
It's Ricky right over there. That's why they're not calling. Fuck. They moved downwards. Yep, get down, get down, get down.
See him.
9 o'clock. Or not 9 o'clock, 11. Let's go. Get down.
Yeah! Yo, he's out.
Alright. Hey, put up his arms. Alright, good, let's go. Move up. This is our chance. Back, back, back. Try to flank him.
Go that way, go that way.
Hey. Shit!
Got him! Got him!
Gotta get out of there, go to the spawn. Jesus, freaking shower plan.
That was great.
Oh my god.
That worked amazingly.
You guys, you bastards! Fucking was watching you!
That was you!
Fucking watched you! Fuck you! Fuck you, I watched you!
I'm still recording.
I know. Yes. Oh, that plan worked great.
Oh my god.
Just use some censorship.
Nah, I don't care about that.
Ricky, fucking watch you guys move.
You guys had no clue what the hell was even going on.
No, I was watching. I didn't know what to do. There's only 5 of us.
You guys are surrounded like crazy.
I heard you guys. I was like, what the fuck? Bastards. Did I even hit any of you guys?
I literally sprayed at both of you guys, just not even.
That was so
Wait, he was
easy.
shooting down the hill.
Literally,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
we shot one guy, and then
Alright.
Wait, are we all in the metal?
Alright, good game.